This is a boat restoration update. I got rid of the middle seat. It was too high and it was kind of in the way. Whenever I wanted to walk around it, I had to move around it. It's not wide enough for me to get around it. So what I did was I removed it and added the seat back here with a swivel. It gives me enough time, areas I can turn around if I want to and steer the vessel. And then over here I added a nice seat in the front with a swivel. And this one actually has a removable plate at the bottom of it, so I can actually take it off if I don't want it. Then the trawler motor. So I couldn't figure out how to put this on here, so I clamped 2 pieces of wood, one on each side, and in place. So when I'm ready to go in the water, if I want to get out of the water, regardless of what, I can always lift it up and then move it completely out. I can store it inside if I'm going to keep it for whatever reason out of the elements. Like this. And I can just kind of move it out of the way like that. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to replace the receiver here. It's old, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this part right here off. This is all going to be gone. I have a new one. I'm going to put it right there and move that back. New tire coming up. Get new. I think I even bought one of those. I don't know where it is. If I did, I need to replace it right away. Other than that, she's looking good. I haven't got a name for it yet. My dad gave me a second fiddle for a name, but she's coming along. Hopefully I'll take her out tomorrow. I'll get some good video tomorrow of me out in the water. I may even take Pecos out in the water. Maybe she might like that. If she's not, I have to turn around and bring her back. I do need to get a marine battery, wire up electrical, and the front and back. And then that front battery right now, I'm just using a 12-volt battery that I had for my lawnmower. And that will be replaced with a marine battery. And there you go. She's coming along. I love the seats. Especially a little clip right here, so when you're driving, they don't flip up. It's nice. These are $50 each at Bass Pro Shop. I checked out everywhere else. They're about the same price. You can't go wrong. So it's coming along. And again, I'll take her out for a nice little spin tomorrow. And take a couple poles, drop them in. I need to get that too, so I can just put my poles in there and just leave them set. Other than that, here we go. Let's keep on going.